Let's go through this simple truck build. We start at Menards, grab a couple of 2x3s, as well as one 1/2 inch 4x8 sheet of plywood. We're gonna putty up the knots so that it can't snag on anything. Next up, we're cutting the plywood to the length of the bed of the truck. Now we're going to paint the plywood with some moisture-resistant primer. Then we cut the simple framework and the legs. And screw everything together. And now we just toss it in the back. We're going to create some simple privacy curtains. Start by ironing some fabric, and then cutting to the length of the windows, and sewing a roll hem. We add some adhesive back Velcro tabs. And just like that, our ultra simple truck build is finished. This is a simple little truck build. Super simple, but super comfortable and sturdy and awesome. So we got a nice bed here, and then under the bed a whole bunch of storage, and along the side here there's room too for backpacks and things. Got some nice curtains for some privacy. The truck already had some nice screens in, keep the skeeters out. And yeah, let's take a look. So it's just real simple plywood that we painted so that it would keep the moisture out a bit. We have a simple little framework with some legs and then some storage rooms for gear, because this truck build is for adventures. So we got climbing gear. These bins fit perfectly right underneath the bed. And yeah, just a whole bunch of storage for adventure gears. Fun. And put a little memory foam mattress topper on here, and blankets and pillows. And that's set for a good time.